Hey, what's going on guys? So today I want to show you how to get Showbox for your iPhone or Android device in, let's say this video will probably take up maybe 2 or 3 minutes of your day, so we're doing pretty well. So first of all, here's Showbox. Now before, I don't know if you've seen my previous videos, but you used to need Allcast along with Showbox in order to play the movies on your TV. But now they've updated it, now they want you to use Line Player. There's not much you can do about it, so use that one there, but Allcast is still handy. So let's see, I'll just show you Showbox right quick. So let's see, we'll go to movies, and what's one that I tried earlier? Daughter of the Wolf. We'll try that one. So we click watch now right here. So this one's open Line Player, that's fine. And there we go, so the movie's playing. You can see the movie there. Now if you want to cast it to your TV, you can still do that. You just have to press this little cast button here and then play it over to your Chromecast device right here. It also works with your Apple TV. So the way to get it, you will first need to go to the Android App Store or anywhere else and get the Line Player, and then you want to go over to showbox.global. You can see the URL there. So let the page load, and then what you do is you just click on Get Showbox, and it can actually tell what device you're using, so they'll give you the right installation, you know. So Android device detected, that's fine, and then you continue and you go get your Showbox. Now if your Showbox ever decides to stop working, all you gotta do is just update it, either through the app or through the website. It's super easy, you know, it works just like that. You can get a movie playing in seconds, just like you see here. To be honest, I don't even see why people use Netflix anymore. If you can use something like this, oh my god. So basically all you need is showbox.global. Takes 2 seconds. Go get yours. Signing out. I'll talk to you guys later.